Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Doc channel on YouTube. We have a very interesting question here. How to translate a word problem into equations? Because that's what really solving word problem is all about, translating into equations. From there, using arithmetic, using combination of method that we learned, we can solve word problems. So the critical part is really translating the word problem into equations. Let's take a look at this one. It says the sum of three numbers is 12. And then it says the first is 5 times the second, and the sum of the first and the third is 9. So the first thing you do solving a word problem is you define variables. Okay, this is where we're drawing equations in the first place. So for our case, it's x, y, and z. It doesn't really matter what you call it. You can call it A, B, C, or E, F, G. So long you have three different variables. Okay, now let's go back in there. Let's see if I can find a different color of pen. What we need to do then is go back over there and literally going there one sentence at a time, see if we can translate. The first sentence said the sum of three numbers. Well, what three numbers? We have x, y, and z. What do we want to do with it? The sum is 12. Okay, so the first sentence is used off. Second sentence, the first number we'll call it x, is 5 times the second, which is this one. Okay, so that's the equation there. And the last one, the sum of the first and the third, well, first is x, third is z, the word is equal 9. So here comes our three equations. And the second step is find equation by dragging. I'm going to call it dragging. Okay. Dragging variables through the words. So we just did that. So the three equations we come up with x plus y plus z is equal to 12. That was the first one. Second one, x is second times y. And then last one, we have x plus z is equal to 9. All right, from there, solving it is pretty easy. 90% of work is really done here. Work is done. Okay. And when I was grading homework or test exams, when students can give me to this step, usually if it's a 10-point problem, I'll give them 9 points, because solving equation is really, at this point, it's not that important. But be able to drag through the variable, through the word problems, that actually arrive at the equation. That's what's important. Okay, 90%. All right, hope this helped. Have a confident day.